I prepared for GMAT because I was at 6.5 years of work ex, it did not make sense to do a 2-year anymore. I was born in a Telugu family. People associate CAT with IIMs, but that's not the case anymore. GMAT is also there if you want to do an MBA at IIM Ahmedabad. Like if you're rich and if you're Indian, India is the best place.
He lives the life that I want to live. The guy's traveled to 30 countries.
Not everybody wants to become a CA because it is a very tough exam to crack. I did my articleship at KPMG. I had helped some startups with their IPO journey.
I really don't know where is the youth here. I just don't know. कोई youthful energy नहीं है.
लोग क्या कहेंगे तो हमेशा रहेगा even 2100. Companies that are into consulting or IB who prefer young blood created a TopMate page where I started the mentorship service for a small fee. I don't want to become an IAS because then I have to listen to somebody who is not even that educated, the politicians. Like I don't want to do that.
क्या बोल रहे हो यार?
Second best thing I could do in my life as a career was chartered accountancy. I got opportunity to work with KPMG in Singapore for like 7 months, and they sort of wanted me there long term, but then I got so fed up with their work culture, so I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. There's a higher chance of me being a rich person in India than in Sweden. In Sweden, I would still be comfortable but be middle class. So I did give CAT 2 years after I became a CA. But it didn't really work out because I didn't get the score that I wanted. So I spent 4 winters in Sweden. First 2 years were okay. Then I really felt depressed. Like I never felt that way before.
Now Vix cannot relate to darkness. He lives in sunny California.
Sunny California.
उसको पता ही नहीं है कि मतलब कि ठंडे देश कैसे होते हैं.
I saw Miglani's London through Miglani's phone and I got depressed. First year में वो एडमिट कार्ड देने जाना होता था to appear for the exam, और एडमिट कार्ड वो ऑफिस में क्लर्क देते थे. तो वहाँ गए, केडिया जी आ गए कॉलेज? हाँ सर आ गया. टाइम मिल गया कॉलेज आने का? हाँ सर मिल गया. किसने आए? सर एडमिट कार्ड चाहिए. कॉलेज कितने दिन आए थे? सर कॉलेज तो आता था सर, ये लीजिए एडमिट कार्ड.
विक्स, मैं एक चीज बोल रहा हूँ कि तेरे इसमें से किसी ने क्लिप निकाल लिया ना तो किसी रजिस्ट्रार की नौकरी या पेंशन जाएगी.
As opposed to Indians, we want to stand out because we're such a big country. If you don't stand out, you're lost in the crowd.
That Three Idiots movie that was shot on IIM Bangalore campus, and वो जब वो नहा रहे थे ये सर मेरे को रोना आ रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को अपना कैंपस याद आ रहा था.
My uncles left in the 90s, so they have a different view of India. Even when they come, they try to find that India now. But that doesn't exist anymore, and they don't agree to a lot of things they talk about India because that's not true anymore.
The most chartered accountants are not the most creative people.
And historically, all the smart minds went to PGP. But so it was stressful to not get placed because everybody around me was placed. I have to manage my content and then create content, and I'm also on TopMate, so I take a lot of mentorship sessions. So I don't know how I'm managing.
मेरे को लग रहा है you are working more than 12 hours a day.
So my target was always IMA.
बैंगलोर में क्यों नहीं अप्लाई किया? अहमदाबाद नंबर 2 में क्यों करा? Sorry, I just can't keep taking pot shots.
There's a lot of demand for Indian auditors across the world.
And how much was your salary in Sweden? Like 60,000 euros, something like that?
I realized cooking is a very big skill to have when you're abroad. So I learned I cook very nice food.
What was your package after you graduated?
So I got a 7 lakh scholarship, which I didn't really pay off my loan for. I invested it. So hopefully in the future it'll grow more. So I just put up my graduation reel and then it went viral. And then I put up my next reel, CA to IMA. That got me 9,000 followers in one reel.
I was walking on Oxford Street, and all that, and it was busy because it was like peak summer. My friend was like, this is so busy. And I had just come from Mumbai. I was like, ये busy है? यार रात को 1 बजे दादर स्टेशन पे से ज़्यादा लोग मिल जाएंगे.
I did a brand collaboration with MBA Wala. For the CAT coaching. People started registering for the webinars. I'm like, wow, people actually want to do this and they're paying me for it.
The number of homeless and druggies that I saw on the streets of San Francisco, जिनको मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि खाना 3 दिन से नहीं मिला है, सिर्फ मार रहे हैं.
The kind of wisdom that a grandparent is able to pass on to their grandchildren is different from what a parent can give to their kids.